Hello and welcome to Hooray Bollywood. I'm your host Amita और मैं आपके लिए लाऊंगी every week brand new news, views, reviews, gossip and fashion straight from Bollywood. We will also celebrate the glorious 100 years of Hindi cinema by showcasing the best of the best from the Indian film industry. And yes, I'll be going live on location every week जहां आप मुझसे मुलाकात कर सकते हैं and we will chat and do lots of gupshup about Bollywood and beyond. So now what are we waiting for? Let's get this party started. It's time for some garma garam gupshup. ये जवानी है दीवानी ने तो बॉक्स ऑफिस में आग लगा दी है, लेकिन साथ ही फिल्म की हीरोइन दीपिका पादुकोण की पार्टी ने भी काफी दिलों को जला दिया है। क्यों? क्योंकि नाइस गर्ल दीपिका की पार्टी में उनके सारे मेल गुड फ्रेंड्स आए थे। यस, दे वर ऑल देयर एट द सेम प्लेस एट द सेम टाइम। मेरी जासूस लिटिल बर्डी ने मुझे ट्वीट किया है कि एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड्स रणबीर कपूर, सिद्धार्थ मालिया एंड इवन द सपोज्ड करंट फ्लेम रणवीर सिंह दीप्स के साथ पार्टी कर रहे थे। इनफैक्ट वहाँ रणबीर ने ऐसा कमाल का डांस किया कि सब लोग एब्सोल्युटली हिल गए। वहीं दूसरी तरफ अक्षय कुमार is pretending that the Bollywood rat race does not matter to him at all. Well, after a long rough phase, Akshay Kumar had two big hits last year, Rowdy Rathore and Housefull 2. दोनों फिल्मों ने उन्हें 100 करोड़ क्लब में पहुंचा दिया है। अरे उन हीरोज का एलीट क्लब जिनकी फिल्में 100 करोड़ से ज्यादा का बिजनेस करती हैं, यानी कि सलमान, शाहरुख, आमिर, रणबीर एंड अजय देवगन जैसे सुपरस्टार्स। आप ही सुनिए एक रीसेंट इवेंट में रैट रेस और नंबर्स गेम के बारे में उन्होंने क्या कहा।
हम एक्टर्स हैं, ना कि महालक्ष्मी रेस के घोड़े हैं, जो पहला कौन आएगा दूसरा कौन आएगा।
Really, Akshay? Another spicy news is that सल्लू मियां ने फाइनली हाँ कह दी है। अरे नो, he's not getting married. लिटिल बर्डी ट्वीट करती है कि उन्होंने फाइनली अपने पुराने दोस्त डायरेक्टर सूरज बरजात्या के साथ काम करने की रजामंदी दे दी है। मैंने प्यार किया और हम आपके हैं कौन जैसे सुपरहिट फिल्में करने के बाद इस सुपरहिट डायरेक्टर हीरो के रिश्ते में दरार आ गई। इनफैक्ट हम साथ साथ है विच वॉज रिलीज इन 1999 वॉज देयर लास्ट फिल्म टुगेदर, पर आज टॉप के सुपरस्टार सलमान ने अपने ओल्ड फ्रेंड सूरज की ओर फिर से दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाया है। वाह सल्लू, हम तुम पे कुर्बान। And here's some more hot gossip. The film to watch out for is Date Ishqiya, a sequel to the hit film Ishqiya, which starred Nasruddin Shah, Arshad Warsi and Vidya Balan. Date Ishqiya stars Madhuri opposite Nasir and Huma Qureshi of Gangs of Wasseypur fame opposite Arshad. Director Abhishek Chobe कहते हैं कि there'll be lots of spicy, steamy love scenes between the couples. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter at HoorayBollywood.com or check us out on our Facebook page, facebook.com/HoorayBollywood, or come and visit us at our website at www.HoorayBollywood.com. And now it's time for the box office report. ये जवानी है दीवानी is making a big bang at the box office. Directed by Ayan Mukherjee and produced by Karan Johar, this movie is about high-spirited youth, adventure, love, partying and desires.
तुम क्या चाहती हो लाइफ से बने?
रफ्तार, पागलपन। मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता।
रणबीर के absolutely outstanding dance numbers, Deepika's sexy styles और माधुरी के dynamic ठुमके।
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ हर मेरा जागना है, आजाद से लेके दिल्ली भागना।
This film is a treat for every बदतमीज दिल।
शादी इज दाल चावल फॉर 50 साल टिल यू डाई। अरे लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत खाका नूडल भी होना चाहिए ना।
High on energy, ये जवानी है दीवानी is all set to join the 100 crore club. It is a must watch.
I hope you're not a psycho. No. Good. Zaya.
Ishq in Paris. Preeti Zinta's debut production has passed unnoticed. A film about two strangers hasn't done so well at the box office. The main highlight of the movie is Paris, and I guess that is it. Kyunki the love story is a big miss and the movie is considered just average. This week's brand new release is Yamla Pagla Divana 2. कॉमेडी और फुल ऑन एक्शन के साथ द ड्यूल्स आर बैक। बॉबी एंड सनी आर सीन टिपिकल रोड साइड रोमियो स्टाइल, मगर उनसे भी ज्यादा बोल्ड नजर आए हैं धर्म पाजी। High on Punjabi beats, the Jat Yamla is seen twisting with hot girls and singing "मैं ते ऐदा ही नचना." Definitely worth a watch. Other movies to watch out for are Zindagi 50-50. Showcasing the compromises that a woman goes through to make a living in the heartless city of Mumbai. And Fukre.
No paisa, no hope, no ladki, no scope.
A twisted comedy of 4 college friends who run after individual desires but are all brought together by one dream. Coming up next are the top 3 songs of the week. Number 3 पर है जीने लगा हूँ from the movie Ramaya Vastavaya.
मैं मेरा दिल और तुम हो यहाँ, फिर क्यों हो पल के झुकाए वहाँ। तुम साहसी पहले देखा नहीं, तुम इससे पहले थे जाने कहाँ। जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा।
Number 2 पर है यमला पगला दीवाना from the movie यमला पगला दीवाना 2. And the top of the week is बदतमीज दिल from the movie ये जवानी है दीवानी.
मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात, थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात मूड़ी भात, मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का। इसमें भूत कोई चढ़ा है ठहरना जाने ना, अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जाने ना। बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना।
That was a roundup of the latest movies and songs of the week. And now it's time for a short break. But don't touch that remote, because coming up next is our special segment celebrating the grand 100 years of Bollywood.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned the name with quality food and sincere service. The use of 2 important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
Kisan Desi Ghee and Vegetable Ghee. Kisan Tel. Kisan Food Colors. Kisan Besan. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com.
Welcome to our very special segment celebrating 100 years of Bollywood. Every decade, every actor और हर एक पल है special in Hindi cinema. Celebrating that spirit, every week we will highlight one part of glorious Bollywood. तो इंतजार किस बात का? आजा न चले मेरी यार तू न चले जनक जनक जनकार. बॉलीवुड के दर्दे डिस्को का दीवाना कौन नहीं है? And guess what? Bollywood first started singing 82 years back in the film Alam Ara. It was in 1931 that Ardeshir Irani made the first sound film, and the song De De Khuda Ke Naam Pe by Wazir Muhammad Khan became the first song ever to be recorded and played on the Hindi film screen. And ever since then, Bollywood sang and danced and never looked back. बोली सूरत दिल के खोटे नाम बड़े और दर्शन छोटे. Who can forget this lovely song and this catchy dance steps of Bhagwan Dada? Did you know that the comedian actor Bhagwan Dada was a tough pehlwan in real life? His father was a textile mill worker and wanted Dada to earn money working as a laborer. Magar Bhagwan Dada ka ek hi sapna tha, to make it big in Bollywood. Passionate about the movies, he entered Tinseltown and became a rage with Albela. Later, he acted, directed and produced many films in the 40s and 50s. Magar inki life ki hui tragic ending. His was a true rags to riches and then riches to rags story. Charismatic Bhagwan Dada had to give up acting, Gadi, and he spent his last days of his life penniless in a small chawl in Mumbai. Magar unki films, songs और dance तब भी हिट थे और अब भी सुपर हिट है.
खिचड़ी का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम.
शादी हो या चिल्ड आउट पार्टी, हर ओकेशन में कहीं ना कहीं भगवान दादा का सिग्नेचर स्टेप नजर आ ही जाता है. बिग बी अमिताभ बच्चन ने भी भगवान दादा का इस पॉपुलर डांस स्टेप को बना लिया है अपना सिग्नेचर मूव. और बिग बी ही नहीं, ऑल द मेजर एक्टर्स एंड कोरियोग्राफर्स इनोवेटिवली यूज करते हैं भगवान दादा का यही डांस स्टाइल. हुर्रे बॉलीवुड सल्यूट्स दिस लेजेंड. आओ ट्विस्ट करे जाग उठा है मौसम, आओ ट्विस्ट करे जिंदगी है यही. Dance is the heartbeat of Bollywood. सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है कि बॉलीवुड डांसिंग इज सो वर्सेटाइल. ऑलमोस्ट हर एक्टर का एक अपना यूनिक डांसिंग स्टाइल है. That makes Bollywood dancing all the more special. Initially, dancing in films was dominated by women, and the dance performances were modeled on Indian classical dance forms. Love, anger, sadness या फिर खुशी, dance became a way to express feelings and emotions. मगर western influence ने start किया एक नया trend to mix the steps of twist, rock and roll, disco and salsa into the Bollywood songs and dances. And this transition gave way to the talented male dancing stars. और बस फिर क्या था, मच गई बॉलीवुड में डांस से धूम. And today we will discuss the top male dancing legends of the last 100 years in Bollywood. शम्मी कपूर. चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे या दिल देके देखो या ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां, शम्मी Kapoor's energetic dancing is unmatched. This live wire's foot-stomping on-screen performances were heightened by the legendary voice of Mohammed Rafi.
आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा, अल्लाह अल्लाह इनकार तेरा, आजा 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 आजा.
This actor with the Chansar Roshan chehra never had any professional training in dancing. Magar he was known for making his own steps spontaneously for the camera.
तुमसे अच्छा कौन है, दिलो जिगर लो जान लो, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, तुम हमें पहचान लो.
Jazz या झटकास, twist या turns, इनके मस्त अंदाज और बेहतरीन एक्सप्रेशंस थे सबसे अलग. बार बार देखो और हजार बार देखो, क्योंकि इस डांसिंग लेजेंड का जवाब नहीं. इन फैक्ट बदतमीज दिल फ्रॉम ये जवानी है दीवानी इज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू हिम फ्रॉम हिज ग्रैंड नेफ्यू रणबीर कपूर. जितेंद्र.
मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक, मैं जो चाहे यार करूं.
The jumping jack of Bollywood, Jitendra is famous for his fast leg shaking steps, fashionable wardrobe or mind-blowing moves. This jack jumped his way to success by giving top dancing numbers in the 70s and 80s. Jeetu ने चलाया एक और नया trend by dancing in his white shoes, and the actor became known for the fastest and the most versatile dancing in Bollywood. बबीता, हेमा, श्रीदेवी या जयप्रदा, हर बॉलीवुड हीरोइन के नैनों में एक ही सपना था, to match up with the steps of the handsome Jeetu. Mithun Da. Disco dancer and retro king of Bollywood, Mithun Da rocked the dance floor in the 80s and 90s with his pelvic thrust and freestyle dancing. Rock and roll, twist, disco and break dance. कोई ऐसा dance style नहीं था जो ये ना कर सके.
है कोई जो मेरे सामने आए.
Who knew that this background dancer in the famous song Manu Bai Motor Chali Pom 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 would become a dancing superstar one day, setting the screen on fire with his unique dance moves. Mithun Da earned the love of millions of young fans who could not get enough of this disco king of Bollywood. Govinda. With the release of Love 86, a new dancing sensation was born. Govinda Ahuja, the Virar ka chokra, never looked back after that. His physique was not that of a dancer, but boy could he dance. In fact, his amazing style reached out to every common man.
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था.
He brought in a lot of fun in dancing. He smiled, made faces, and added his comic touch to the dancing skills. Govinda showed the world that dance has no limits. उनके कपड़े पहनने के अंदाज को critics ने भले ही thumbs down दिया, but the masses loved it. He did something unbelievable. उन्होंने जो street dancing style होता है, उसे स्क्रीन पर लाया. एक नया अंदाज और एक नया स्टाइल. बस फिर क्या था? उनकी फेवरेट हीरोइंस फ्रॉम माधुरी टू करिश्मा टू रानी टू रवीना जब भी उनके साथ काम करती तो उन फिल्मों में गोविंदा की ही तरह नाचती थी. यही नहीं, दूसरे मेल सुपरस्टार भी अगर गोविंदा के साथ काम करते तो उन्हीं के डांसिंग स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते थे। ऋतिक रोशन, flexible, unbelievable, remarkable, or just full-on dhoom dhamaka. This heartthrob rules Bollywood's dance floor. Hrithik has the ability to carry off the most complex moves with a complete ease and make it all look so simple. Unka debut song Ek Pal Ka Jeena itself was a jaw-dropper. The Michael Jackson of Bollywood, Hrithik hai ek trained dancer backed by years of hard work and dedication.
Then let's go for it.
इनके बारे में जो कहा जाए वो है कम. An amazing dancer with a super hot physique and drop dead gorgeous looks. Who wouldn't say कहो ना प्यार है. अब मैंने तो बताया आपको टॉप डांसिंग लेजेंड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड के बारे में. लेट्स सी आपकी लिस्ट में कौन कौन है. नहीं समझे? Coming up next is our segment of Bold Bachchan. I'm going out of the studio to meet you live on location to find out who your favorite dancing stars of Bollywood are. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
किसान मिक्स्ड स्पाइसेस, तंदूरी मसाला, गरम मसाला, चाय मसाला, किसान पेस्ट्स, तंदूरी पेस्ट, curry paste and many more. Kisan crispy fried onions, किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000.
Bolo, bolo, khul ke bolo. Welcome to the Bold Bachchan segment of the show. आज आप और हम करेंगे खूब सारे गपशप और बातें करेंगे कुछ खास और नाचेंगे बिंदास. I'm here at the York Cinemas in Richmond Hill. And guess what? I'm here for the premiere of the dashing Ranbir and the stunning Deepika's new release, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Hi, I just love Ranbir's dancing. You know who my favorite dancing stars of Bollywood are. Let's find out from the audience here who theirs are. So, it's time to get this party started, get some people moving and say, dance pe chance. What did you think about the movie?
The movie's pretty with it. It's happening. It's apt. It's very spontaneous.
What did you think of the movie?
It's nice, little entertaining.
When you said entertaining, do you have any favorite dances from the movie?
Ranbir Kapoor is a good dancer.
Of course, Ranbir. I love him in this movie. And Shah Rukh Khan.
Hrithik Roshan, my all-time favorite.
Who would you pick?
For sure, Shammi Kapoor. I love that song, आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा.
आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा, अल्लाह अल्लाह इनकार तेरा हो.
I'd say Badtameez Dil is one of the good songs that I'm here to watch.
बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल. That's all we remember.
बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, माने ना माने ना. बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, माने ना माने ना.
Hrithik Roshan, just the way he dances, his steps, every move is different.
Again. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में है धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए.
Yes, Hrithik Roshan is my favorite.
Any moves of his that you like?
I like all his very flexible moves. He's so very good. He's so very tangy. He's so very flexible.
Mithunda was amazing.
That's a good one. What is one of his favorite dancing movies you like?
The Disco Diwane, right? It was an awesome one.
So I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. Do-do-do-dun. I am a disco dancer.
जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं किसी का दीवाना. तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो. Go! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer.
Hooray Bollywood.
Bollywood.
I'm sure you had fun watching this show. Spicy गपशप, मिर्च मसाला and Bollywood धमाके के साथ फिर मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते इसी समय. Remember, you can follow us on our Facebook page Hooray Bollywood or check us out at our website www.hooraybollywood.com. तब तक के लिए enjoy life, be happy and dance with joy. अब के लिए मैं कहती हूँ bye in Bollywood style. लेकिन फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.